All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So necessary, necessary, something needed. It is necessary. We need that. It is a necessary tool. Those are necessary requirements. Very important, yes. It is a necessary tool. Yeah, these necessary tools, we need them. Those are necessary items to learn with. It is the necessary exam that you need to pass. Yes. Very good. That used to be a necessary part of life. Yeah. But it is not necessary anymore. No, not anymore. No. Those are all necessary parts of the body. Yes, the brain. The brain is a necessary part of the body. Well, we need it to live. Very important. Yeah. You will have to pass these necessary exams next spring. Yeah. Do you know how you are going to pass those necessary exams? There is a lot of necessary books to read in order to pass. Yeah, you have to read these books. Understanding this book is necessary to pass the exam. Yeah. How cool is that? So, necessary. Now, can you, language explorers, write necessary in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.